Hello, today is Monday and I'm leaving for work and it's slightly drizzling now. I think I need to open an umbrella.
The rainy season has probably been one of my most hated seasons, especially when it comes to traveling in Mumbai, because every Mumbaiker has somehow romanticized the idea of monsoon, where everything is green, you're sitting by the window with a cup of chai, doing something that you like, with soft, mellow music and watching the rain. And then there are those Bollywood scenes where it's raining, the city looks gloomy. And honestly, the most Bollywood thing that I did this monsoon was doing a quick little sketch of this an auto while traveling. Someone once said, with great Monday comes great responsibility, but Monday also brings blue, so I have to dress up according to those dress codes and still be cute in it. That is a great responsibility in itself. And I think one of the weird coping mechanisms that I've developed was making myself a rainy day playlist. Yeah, because I love music, and if I had to be outside while it was raining, I figured I might as well have a soundtrack for it, right? So, whenever it rained, I'd put on my playlist, step outside, and pretend I was in a Bollywood movie and was actually enjoying the rain. And honestly, it worked.
There's some rain ASMR for you all. It's a full black outfit today.
And one of the most biggest monsoon wardrobe rule, wearing dark colors, especially black. I'm not so fond of black, but it's one of the most practical colors for monsoon, because if I wear light colors and then one splash, it's basically over. My outfit is over. So I've become fond of black now.
Shocker that today is again a rainy day. Maybe there's some sun on it, whatever. Today is, we're here for Friday, guys. Ending the week. And also, Mochi bit my lip. I don't know if you can see, yes, it is visible. Pretty prominent. Yeah. Fun times. Fun times.
Mochka, what's that?
I did not vlog at all today. I just uploaded my first vlog. So please go check it out. Right now I'm going to meet my friend who is recovering in an hospital. This is my outfit. He is kinda against the idea that everyone should come and meet her because it's her. But I've asked her mom for the address and I'm meeting her. Like a true friend. And I'm waiting for my Uber auto. So let's just go in a very easy breezy outfit with a tote bag. Yes. Also, I got this gift, and I don't know if I got her a little keychain and this hand cream, which is in the shape of a peach. So yeah, I hope she likes it and accepts my peace prize.